For more than 50 years, TROX has understood the art of handling air like no other company in the world. As a leading manufacturer of air handling components, TROX guarantees the air purity and sterility required in highly sensitive areas with its high-quality duct particulate filters. The objective of clean room technology is to ensure that a room's clean air is free of dust and microorganisms, and to keep it that way. Only the proper installation of the filter guarantees that the most critical standards for air purity and sterility are met. Guaranteeing your safety in highly sensitive areas is just as important. You shouldn't come into contact with the contaminated materials in the used filter under any circumstances. TROX makes filter changes quick and easy due to the cover plate with section seal, the double groove service board for contamination-free filter change, the automatically adjustable clamping mechanism for a consistent tight fit, which can be applied only when the filter fits properly. Only a properly performed change guarantees the correct clean function. And how do you change the filter correctly? To guarantee your safety, you must wear proper work clothing according to regulation and type of contamination. In addition, the following tools and aids should be on hand: a mounting table or lifting platform, a laminator, and a tight fit test device. First, the cover is removed. After that, the maintenance bag is carefully unfolded and the fixing lever is released. The contaminated filter cell is removed using the pull cable placed in the maintenance bag and carefully pulled back. The maintenance bag is placed in the laminator and must be belted in an airtight manner using lamination equipment to guarantee your own safety and the safe disposal of the contaminated cell. The new filter cell is now unpacked carefully. Make sure that you place the filter on a clean surface and that it has no transport damage. The new cell is placed in the new maintenance bag. The used maintenance bag lies on the front groove of the casing. The new maintenance bag is now attached to the rear groove using the O-ring. The laminated bag end is removed from the front groove together with the O-ring and placed behind the new filter cell in the end of the maintenance bag. The filter cell is placed in the casing. After that, the press-on lever is applied. As an additional safety feature, the lever can be applied only when the filter cell fits properly. Now the O-ring of the new maintenance bag must be moved from the rear groove to the front groove of the maintenance board. In this way, the starting basis for the next change is created. The maintenance bag is now folded. A tight fit test according to DIN 1946 Part 4 is now performed at a test pressure of at least 2000 PA. The filter is airtight. Before a filter leaves the production area, it's tested to see if it's leak-free and fits properly by a scan test. This is confirmed by a test report and a sticker on the filter. Optionally, the filters are checked using an oil mist test. A filter with a leak can be detected at once. The casing is now screwed shut. A further safety feature of TROX is that the cover cannot be screwed shut without the clamping lever being tightened. Here's a summary of all work steps. Unscrew the cover. Unfold the maintenance bag, release the fixing lever and remove the filter. Laminate the maintenance bag. Unpack the new filter cell, place it in the maintenance bag and attach the back to the rear groove. Loosen the used bag end and pull it into the end of the new maintenance bag. Insert the new filter cell. Clamp the filter. Move the O-ring from the rear to the front groove. Perform a tight fit test. Screw the cover shut. Now you're done. TROX thus provides you with a technically and economically sophisticated filter program that meets customer specifications and needs, and can be used for almost all applications. Highest quality in purity and hygiene. Individual adaptation to customer specifications. High separating capacity. Reduction in the differential pressure and the system resistance. Energy savings by up to 50%. TROX duct particulate filters, the guaranteed safe solution for highly sensitive areas. Made by TROX, the art of handling air.